Hi, welcome to the weekly inspirational segment focusing on self-empowerment by Dr. Kasturi R. Naik. Today we are going to talk about self-empowerment and belief systems. I'm going to tell you a story, and this story you might have heard many number of times, but in the context of self-empowerment you might be hearing for the first time. So in Thailand, there is a practice. If you want to keep the elephant docile, the keeper ties this particular baby elephant to a tree with a rope. Now this baby elephant is free-spirited, uninhibited, and it again and again makes an effort to break free from that particular tree. But it cannot do it. Why? Because it does not have that kind of strength when it's a baby elephant. Again and again, even though the efforts are made, it is not able to break free. So a point comes where it gives into the situation and into its subconscious mind, it learns hopelessness and helplessness. And it gets ingrained into the mind of the baby elephant that it cannot break free now. Now this elephant grows into an adult elephant. As an adult elephant, it has the required strength just to give a casual tug to the rope and the rope will break down. But it never ever tries again. Why? Because of the learned helplessness and hopelessness. Because of that limiting belief. Because it is still attached to the imaginary bond that it is having with the tree, and it is still attached to the belief system that it does not have the required strength and agility to break free. Pause and come to this particular present moment. And there are two questions which I want to ask you. Are there any limiting beliefs in the present moment which might be holding you back? Are there any circumstances or any setbacks which might have happened in your childhood? It might have happened 1 day back, 5 days back, 5 years back, and you are still reliving those circumstances. You are still there and not come to this particular present moment. If there are, I am going to give you an action plan right now. Tell yourself, I am willing to release the old limiting pattern, the old limiting belief system from my consciousness, and I am ready to replace it with a new belief system. I am willing to release the old limiting belief system that I am not enough, that I do not have education, and I am willing to replace it with a new belief system that I am enough. I am using my talents creatively in the job which I am into right now. So if you feel this information was useful, like and share this video with your friends, family, colleagues so that they enter our circle of empowerment. And subscribe to this video if you're watching it on YouTube. See you next time. Take care. Stay protected.